Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox this tablet that comes from XP Pen. The tablet name is DECO 01 version 2. So on the bottom hand side of the box we can see the XP Pen written over there. And on the back side we see some of the features of this tablet are mentioned over there. So let's quickly unbox it and see what we're gonna get inside the box. So after opening the box we see the main unit, that's the tablet itself. So keep the things aside and see what else we will get. So we get these gloves and we have to wear it and use that pen. The gloves look like this. We have to wear it like this and use the pen. Next we got this pen holder. After using the pen we just put this pen inside this pen holder. Otherwise if we put this pen elsewhere the nibs are got damaged. So keep this thing in mind. So we have to put this pen inside this pen holder. Next we got this cable to connect the device to the computer and some of the paperwork and warranty card. And last, these converters and some of the nibs. These USB type C and micro USB converters are used to connect with the phone or tablets. And these extra nibs are used in case of the original nibs got damaged, you can replace it with this. So let's see the tablet now. So this is the tablet. As you can see, the tablet's packaging is really good. So we have to remove this packet and get the tablet out of this plastic. So on the top of the tablet there is a protector attached to it. So I recommend you to do not remove this protector because it will cause you some of the scratches by using this pen on top of the tablet. So keep the protector as it is. So let's connect this tablet to my computer. So there is a blue light blinking. That means the device is connected to the computer. Now come to this. As you can see, your device is connected and now we have to download the software that is required to use this tablet. So in Google you just type XPen software and here you just click on the link and come to this page. On the left hand side you can see the manual. You can also download this manual, and on the right you see the softwares that are required to use this tablet. So I am here using 11. So I am downloading the Windows 11 software. So the download part is complete. So we have to install it now. installation is started. So it's saying restart later or restart now, so I'm gonna restart it later. Now open the software that I recently downloaded. So this is the software that use this pen tablet. So as you can see, there are many options are there, and you can choose the settings as preferred to your convenient. So for now, I prefer to keep these settings as default settings. So now we have to open a software that is used to write down something like Notepad or something like this. Here I am using OneNote. So as you can see, there's this arrow. We have to write inside this arrow. The writing look like this. So this tab is really handy if you want to teach online, and you can also remove these lines by pressing this down key. You can also insert a table and write inside that table, like I am doing right now. So you have to keep remember one thing, that you can see this arrow, this 4 arrow. So you have to write inside that arrow. If you write outside that arrow, it will not written anything in the screen. So remember this thing. You want to remove this line by pressing this down key. So that's it for now. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.